Good morning, class 7 student. Now I continue NCERT chapter 10 practical geometry exercise 10.1. In previous video we have done 9 chapter of NCERT and 12 and 13 chapter of workbook. So first we will cover NCERT book. So question number first is draw a line say AB, take a point C outside it through C, draw a line parallel to AB using ruler and compass only. So we have to draw a line and we used ruler and compass only. So first the step of construction are the follow. So draw a line say AB. So first we draw a line AB, take a point P. So we take any point P on AB. Take a point C outside. Take any point C outside. इसके बाहर कोई point C लेंगे. This line join C to P. Join C to P. Now the second step, taking P as center and with a convenient radius, draw an arc intersecting line AB at point D. So take any arc, take any radius, and from the center of P we draw one arc and we draw to ED. AB on AB point D and E. Now step third, taking C as center and taking C. So from here C with the same radius. So in second step we take that radius, that with the same radius from center C and mark again. Draw an arc FG intersecting PC at H. So intersecting PC at H. So here is intersecting and arc is GF. Now the step 4, adjust the compass up to the length. So now we adjust the compass length DE. So here is DE. Without changing the opening of compass and taking H as the center, draw an arc to intersect the previously draw arc FG of point I. So we take same distance and from H to arc I. So step 5, join the point C and I. Join the point C and I to draw a line L. So from the C and I we draw the line L. So here I, this is C. So when we draw the line, so this is the parallel of AB. This is the required line which is parallel to AB. So angle L and AB both are required parallel line. Now question number second, draw a line L, draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. On the perpendicular choose a point X 4 cm away from L, through X, draw a line M parallel to L. First we understood this question. So first we draw any line L and from the 4 cm of L we draw the another parallel line of M. So step of construction, draw a line L. So draw a line L and take a point P on it. So take point P on line L. Now second step, at point P, draw a perpendicular line N. So this is the line N. So we draw the perpendicular. So N line. Take Px is equal to 4 cm. So to take the radius of 4 cm on compass. So from the center of P we arc this. So this length is 4 cm. At point X, again draw a perpendicular to Px. So from point X, again perpendicular line. So this is the line perpendicular to X, Px line M. Now it is the required construction. Both are parallel line. Now question number 3 is, so first draw a line L and take a point P anywhere but not on L. So first draw a line L and take any point P. So here is another point P. Take a point Q on the line L. Take a point Q on the line L. L पर एक लाइन पॉइंट लेंगे Q and join PQ. So both line PQ. P is the outside of line P and join the PQ. At point Q, draw an arc from PQ. Draw an arc A intersecting PQ at B and L at A. So from the same radius we draw another arc from P. So CD. From P to C. Now measure AB using compass. Now you measure AB. Here is B. Measure AB from the compass and with AB as radius. C as center, draw an arc intersecting the step 4. Draw arc at D. So here is draw the arc, the same radius. So which radius is here? AB, the same radius from the center of P. We arc, draw arc CD. Join PD. Join PD and name it as line M. So we draw the same line M. When we draw the both lines are parallel, L and M, which is required line parallel to L. With point R. So we take another point R. With point R on line M as center, draw an arc with the same opening as the previous arc to cut line M to E. So with the same arc we another cut from line FE. Now with CD, R as arc length and E as center, cut the arc at F. So now the same arc FE, all radius are same. Join RF. Join RF. Now the both lines join and extend it to cut line L to S. So this line extend with S on line L. So the both lines are parallel. It is clear that the two pair of parallel lines enclose a parallelogram. So both lines are parallel. So this diagram is called parallelogram. So student, exercise 10.1 is complete. In next video we will complete 10.2. Thank you.